morning, everybody. What we have on the dyno here is one of our 347s. This is a Cobra edition. Got the Cobra valve covers, Cobra oil pan, got the beautiful March serpentine kit, and we got the Holley EFI system on here. I happen to have one of our customer who owns the engine and the mechanic that's going to install it. This happens to be Andres and Renaldo, right? Renaldo. Are you happy with what you see that we did for you?
Absolutely. I imagined what I was getting into, but this really exceeded my expectations. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And I don't know who found us on the internet. Which one of you?
It happened to be Renaldo.
Very nice. So
yeah.
What drove you to us? You seen some of our motors that we were doing?
Well, I saw one of your videos. I saw the work. I saw the variety of work that you do.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to take a closer look and have Andres give you guys a call.
Yeah.
And you answered all the questions, the right questions.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And this happened to be a 425. We just got done making about 438.
Yeah.
So I guess, again, you're looking at it, there's no water leak, no water. We actually did have a little drip on a clamp. I tightened up. And that's why we dyno engines, to make sure they perform the way I want them to, and the customers are happy.
Thank you
So I think we did our job.
Absolutely.
You guys exceeded.
This is a dream that's 40 years in the making, and thank you so much for making it come true.
Nice and quiet on the valve train, everything, right? You don't even hear that,
Sir.
right?
Very nice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, I appreciate you
problem.
coming down. I always love to have a customer come in and watch their motor run. It's just that, you know, people on the internet don't know what goes on really.
Yeah,
when they really come down and go,
course.
wow, this thing nice.
Yeah.
I love it just as much as you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Now what I always say, notice it comes up on higher RPM, which is beautiful. And we're going to watch it come down to our RPM that we have in the computer. Should be about 850. How's that? Real nice. I'm going to turn the load meter on. We're ready to go.